I'm Lori Barrett. I work with Blue Dolphin Charters. Blue Dolphin Charters is unlike any other boat tour company on Kauai in that we offer a dolphin guarantee on our morning tours. We also offer the option of scuba diving as well as snorkeling, even if you don't have experience or if you're an experienced scuba certified diver. We have two 65-foot luxury catamarans with lots of room to roam, lots of comfortable ride up the Na Pali Coast or to the forbidden island of Niihau. We've just refitted one of our catamarans with a brand new engines that are near zero emission, full male and female bathrooms, buffet meals, Mai Tais, beer, wine, juices, iced tea, whatever you'd like, we have all the comforts. Our crew is exceptional. They are all well trained and they're friendly.
My name's Greg, I'm from California, and I've been working for Blue Dolphin for about 12 years now and love it. Get people out there and take them out of their comfort zone a little bit. The Na Pali Coast speaks for itself.
Being out there on those rare days when whales are jumping out of the water, breaching, playing around. It's just a special thing, man. It's not every day that you get to commune with the animals in that way, on the water, in their element, and we're lucky enough to do it, well, daily.
We always see happy people. We have people trying new things that they never would have tried before, sometimes never even been in the ocean before, and then they see a turtle and they're off. And it makes me feel really happy to see people trying new things and smiling and really enjoying something they've never done before.
We like to get out there, have a good time with our guests, showing them a good time. That's probably what sets us apart from some of the other companies on the block. Come out to Blue Dolphin, come for a boat ride, come check us out.
Aloha from Blue Dolphin Charters!